Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to answer a common question. Can you hide your username on TikTok? If you've been wondering whether there's a setting that can completely hide your TikTok username from other people, you're not alone. Many users want more privacy and don't want their username to be easily visible when someone visits their profile. So in this video, I'll explain what happens to your username when you make your TikTok account private and what options you have if you want to keep your account more private. Let's get started. Unfortunately, TikTok does not provide a setting that lets you completely hide your username from everyone. Your username remains part of your profile, even if your account is set to private. Making your TikTok account private can limit who sees your videos and other content. People who don't follow you will have more limited access to your content, but your username is not completely hidden. If you're concerned about privacy, one option is to change your username to something that doesn't include your real name or other personal information. You can also review your TikTok privacy settings and control who can interact with your account, comment on your videos, or send you messages, depending on the options available for your account. Also, be careful with third-party apps or websites that claim they can hide your TikTok username. Avoid entering your TikTok password or giving unknown services access to your account, as they may not be legitimate. And that's it. Now you know whether you can hide your username on TikTok and what you can do to make your account more private. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide Pro for more easy TikTok tips and tutorials.